Considering TikTok advertising on your enterprise or employer? You're now no longer alone. Find out a way to make the maximum of this new social community. The strength of TikTok can't be underestimated. Besides being the procrastination device of preference for plenty of youngster eager, the app has had a profound effect on sound and lifestyle with inside the contemporary day world, and savvy corporations anywhere are seeking to get in at the action, and cash, of course, via TikTok advertising. But don't worry. Even if you're now no longer one of these fortunate manufacturers that by accident stumbles into TikTok fame, you may nevertheless construct a successful presence on the platform. Keep analyzing to discover ways to set TikTok up for enterprise, a way to address TikTok influencer advertising, and greater. More of a visible learner? Start with our brief video advent to TikTok advertising. What is TikTok advertising? TikTok advertising is the exercise of the use of TikTok to sell a logo, product, or service. It can encompass distinctive tactics, like influencer advertising, TikTok marketing, and growing natural viral content material. TikTok advertising can assist corporations. Greater than increase logo cognizance. Greater than build engaged communities. Greater than sell services and products. Greater than get remarks from clients and audiences. Greater than provide client service. Greater than advertise services and products to goal audiences. Here are the 3 primary varieties of advertising manufacturers use on TikTok. TikTok influencer advertising. TikTok influencer advertising is a huge part of the app's ecosystem. Megastars like Charli D'Amelio, Addison Rae, and Zach King could make a massive effect on the fulfillment of an enterprise. Tens of hundreds of thousands of customers watch their content material each day. Creating your personal TikToks. This choice offers you maximum freedom. Create a business TikTok account on your logo, hold scrolling for specified step-through-step instructions, and begin making your personal natural content material. TikTok marketing and strategy. If you're seeking out an area to begin and feature a little cash to invest, that is it. TikTok's website online is complete of fulfillment memories from manufacturers that began out marketing on TikTok. Check out our whole manual on marketing on TikTok for greater info. How to install TikTok for business. TikTok opened a TikTok for the Business Hub in the summertime season of 2020 and rolled out TikTok Pro some months later. Now, TikTok for Business is the handiest manner to go. With an enterprise account, you may upload greater records on your profile and get entry to real-time metrics and target market insights. How to create a TikTok enterprise account. Go to your profile webpage. Open the Settings and Privacy tab with inside the Pinnacle proper corner. Tap Manage Account. Under Account Control, select Switch to Business Account. Choose the class that exceptionally describes your account. TikTok gives classes from arts and crafts to personal blogs to fitness to machinery and equipment. From there, you may upload an enterprise internet site and electronic mail on your profile, and you're geared up to roll. How to put it up for sale on TikTok. Making an authentic advert on TikTok, in different words, paying TikTok at once for advertising, is a surefire manner to get greater eyes to your content material. You're now no longer taking the hazard that an influencer partnership may flop. Types of ads to be had on TikTok. We've written approximately all of the distinctive varieties of TikTok commercials before, however, here's a brief and grimy 101. How to make a TikTok ad account. If you intend to run commercials on TikTok, you'll want to create an advert account for TikTok Ads Manager. To do that, go to commercials.tiktok.com, click on Create Now, and hold your records. It's simply the basics: country, industry, enterprise call and speak to info. How to create a TikTok advertising method. TikTok traits can appear random. Bear in mind the Adult Swim fashion that took over TikTok in the summertime season of 2021. Here's a way to broaden a TikTok advertising method that's made to conform to your TikTok journey. Get acquainted with TikTok. It could be incorrect to technique TikTok advertising in the identical manner you technique Instagram or Facebook advertising. TikTok is a completely distinctive social community with precise traits, functions, and consumer behaviors. Get the entire lowdown on how the set of rules works here. You also can brush up on all matters TikTok by taking guides with inside the TikTok Business Learning Center. Define your goal target market. Who do you desire to attain on TikTok? Before you begin growing content material, find out about the TikTok demographics, and become aware of people who are probably inquisitive about your logo. Once you've zeroed in on a capability target market, study what varieties of content material they prefer and have interaction with. Perform an aggressive audit. Is your competition on TikTok? If they are, you can be lacking in the action. If they aren't, TikTok can be a manner to benefit an aggressive advantage. Like maximum social systems, TikTok offers analytics for business accounts. To get entry to your TikTok analytics, tap Creator Tools, then Analytics. Post regularly. Making a content material calendar, and sticking to it, is prime to a successful social media method. Your TikTok content material calendar will appear just like a real lifestyles calendar, however, rather than dinner with dad. If you aren't, do not forget to check out distinctive forms of posts. Perhaps an apparent advert for the Arkells isn't pretty as compelling as a video of a musician hitting a fellow member of the orchestra together along with his drumstick. The ones TikToks have much less than 600 and greater than 1.4 million views, respectively. Create an area to experiment. There's no such factor as a method for going viral on TikTok, however, you may observe our attempted hints to boom your odds. Leave the area to your TikTok advertising method to be creative, have fun, and go together with the flow. How to without difficulty manipulate your logo's TikTok presence. Hootsuite works with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest and YouTube.